one. When two tangent lines at point 0, 2 to a hyperbola x squared divided by 4 minus y squared equals 1 intersect the hyperbola at Q and R, we're going to find the area of the triangle PQR. Alright, so basically this is our formula, and it intersects, our two tangent lines intersects a point. So we're going to be using this equation. I did a little sketch of this. So basically, if I write a 1 under here, I went up 1 here. This is a 1. So this would be negative 1. And then for the 4, I took square root of 4. So this is negative 2, and this is 2. And this point here is our P. So this is point P, and it's at 0, 2. And now we have two tangent lines at this point. So I'm going to use this equation here, and I'll write it a little bigger. X times x sub 1 divided by a squared minus y times y sub 1 divided by b squared equals 1. So that means I'm going to substitute in my a squared is 4. So I'm just going to erase this and put 4. And my b squared is 1. All right. Since we have that equation, we'll call this equation 1. Now, the tangent line 1, this equation, passes through the point 0, 2. So substituting in 0 for x, this goes away, and we're going to get negative 2 y sub 1, this is your y, equals 1. So y sub 1 equals negative 1 half. So basically, if I go negative 1 half, I'm going through here, because this is 1, negative 1. So this is y equals negative 1 half. And basically what's going to happen is your tangent lines, and I'm going to excuse the drawing, it gets a little messy here. You're going to have this line that's tangent here, like that. And then for this side, we're going to go through here, and at negative 1 half, it's right about there. Okay, so it's going to go like this. All right, so the triangle we're looking at is this triangle. All right, where I put it in purple. Okay, so now let's look at x sub 1, y sub 1. So if I have x sub 1, y sub 1 lies on the parabola x sub 1 squared divided by 4 minus y sub 1 squared equals 1. So I'm going to call this equation 2 and this one equation 3. Substituting 2 into 3, we're going to get x sub 1 squared divided by 4 minus negative 1 half squared equals 1. That means we have x sub 1 squared minus 1 equals 4. I just cleared the fractions here. And so that means x sub 1 squared equals 5. Therefore, x sub 1 is going to be plus or minus square root of 5. All right. So if we look at our points, we have our y. Our y is negative 1 half, and we have our x sub 1. So basically our points are going to be, let's let Q, since Q's over here in this quadrant here, is going to be negative square root of 5, comma, negative 1 half. And our R is going to equal positive square root of 5, comma, negative 1 half. So that's these points here. All right. From there, we're going to do the area of a triangle. So that's going to be 1 half base times height. So it's going to be area equals 1/2 base times height. So for our height, or our base, we have this length right in here, and this is our height. So it's going to equal 1/2, and we have 2 of these. So you can just find the difference there for your x. So this is negative square root of 5, and this is square root of 5 here on your x value. So if you take square root of 5 minus negative square root of 5, you're going to get 2 square root of 5. And your height is going to be 2. This right here, this is 2, 0 to 2, plus this extra 1/2 here. So 2 plus 1/2. And this is going to equal, the 2's cancel here. So basically you're going to get 5 square root of 5 divided by 2. And that is your area of the triangle. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.